I look crazy and my throat is still kind of killing me. But today I'm going to be doing makeup from the year I was born. I saw this trend on TikTok, so I thought that I'd follow it. We're gonna be doing 2008 makeup since 2008 was the year I was born. Also, my birthday is next Monday. I'm so excited. I turned 17. Anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna be following this Rihanna makeup look. I love her makeup here. So first we're gonna start off with some concealer. Okay, next I'm gonna add some loose powder. This is almost finished. Okay, next I'm gonna add some bronzer. Okay, I'm gonna add some highlight next. Okay, next we're gonna move on to the eye makeup, which is my favorite part. I'm gonna be using this shade with like some glitter, so yeah. Eyeliner. Mascara. Lip gloss. And I'm just gonna add a little more concealer. Okay, next I'm gonna add some of this blush. Setting spray. Hey guys, here's the makeup. I tried my best. Anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.